Gone in 60 seconds, covered in 60 minutes, dealing with car theft. Picture this. You're strolling back to where you parked your trusty four-wheeled companion, only to be met by an empty space. Your heart drops, your palms sweat, your beloved car is gone, vanished into thin air. It's a sinking feeling, right? But hold on, before you spiral into a pit of despair, what if I told you there's a safety net? What if you knew, with absolute certainty, that your insurance company had your back? That's the power of having the right coverage. Buckle up, we're talking car insurance and theft. We're diving deep into the world of car insurance and tackling a topic that's enough to make anyone sweat stolen cars. We'll break down everything you need to know about protecting yourself financially when your car decides to take an unauthorized vacation. From the type of coverage you need to the steps involved in filing a claim, we'll leave no stone unturned. So fasten your seatbelts, folks. It's going to be a wild ride. Comprehensive coverage, your shield against grand theft auto. Let's cut to the chase. When it comes to stolen cars, comprehensive coverage is your new best friend. This magical insurance policy add-on is what swoops in to save the day when your car goes missing. Think of it as your own personal superhero, ready to fight off the financial villains of car theft. But wait, there's more. Comprehensive coverage doesn't just cover theft. It also protects you against a whole rogues gallery of other unfortunate events like vandalism, fire, natural disasters, and even those pesky collisions with animals. It's like having a force field around your car, deflecting all sorts of bad luck. Houston, we have a problem, and a claim to file. So, you've searched high and low, checked every parking spot within a 5-mile radius, and even interrogated the neighborhood squirrels. Your car is officially missing in action. It's time to face the music and file a claim. First things first, contact your insurance company ASAP. The sooner you report the theft, the better. They'll ask you a bunch of questions about the incident, so be prepared to channel your inner Sherlock Holmes and provide as much detail as possible. Once you've filed the claim, your insurance company will launch their own investigation to try and track down your car. Show me the money. Factors influencing your payout. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite part. The payout. If your car is stolen and never recovered, cue the dramatic music, your insurance company will compensate you for its value. But how much you'll receive depends on a few key factors, like the age and condition of your car, its mileage, and any fancy customizations you've made. The higher the value of your car, the more you'll get back, which is a good incentive to keep your ride in tip-top shape. Beware the fine print common exclusions for theft coverage. Now before you start planning your post-payout vacation, let's talk about some common exclusions that could throw a wrench in your plans. It's crucial to understand these exclusions so you can avoid any unpleasant surprises when you file a claim. While comprehensive coverage is pretty comprehensive, there are a few scenarios where your claim might be denied. Insurance policies are filled with fine print, and it's in this fine print where you'll often find the exclusions that could affect your coverage. For instance, if you left your car unlocked with the keys in the ignition, your insurance company might argue that you made it way too easy for the thief and deny your claim. This is considered negligence on your part, and most policies have clauses that exclude coverage in such cases. Also, they might not cover any personal belongings that were in your car when it was stolen, so it's best to keep valuables at home or, not get your car stolen in the first place. Items like laptops, cameras, and even expensive sunglasses are often excluded from coverage if they were left in the vehicle. Another common exclusion is if the theft occurs in a high-risk area. Some policies have specific clauses that exclude coverage if your car is stolen from certain locations known for high crime rates. Always check the geographical limitations of your policy. Additionally, if your car is stolen while being used for commercial purposes like ride-sharing or delivery services, your personal auto insurance might not cover the theft. You may need a separate commercial policy for that. It's also worth noting that some policies exclude coverage for theft if the car was stolen by a family member or someone you know. This is often referred to as theft by deception and is a tricky area in insurance law. So before you assume you're fully covered, take the time to read through your policy and understand these common exclusions. It could save you a lot of headaches and financial loss in the long run. Always ask your insurance agent to clarify any points you're unsure about. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to protecting your assets. Stay informed and stay safe. Outsmart the car thieves, proactive tips for maximum protection. Let's face it, dealing with a stolen car is a major hassle. The emotional and financial toll it takes can be overwhelming. Not only do you lose your means of transportation, but you also have to deal with insurance claims, police reports, and the anxiety of not knowing if you'll ever see your car again. It's a nightmare scenario that no one wants to experience. So, why not be proactive and make your car as unappealing to thieves as possible? Taking a few simple steps can significantly reduce the risk of your car being targeted. It's all about making your vehicle a less attractive option for would-be thieves. The more obstacles you put in their way, the less likely they are to attempt a theft. Here are a few tips to keep those pesky carjackers at bay. First, lock it up. Always ensure that your car doors are locked, even if you're just stepping away for a moment. A locked car is a basic but effective deterrent. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to lock their cars. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. An unlocked car is an open invitation for thieves. They can quickly get in and drive away without any resistance. Seriously, it's like giving the thieves a free pass to drive away with your prized possession. Next, park smart. The location where you park your car can greatly influence its safety. Choose well-lit, populated areas to park your car. Thieves are less likely to target vehicles in areas where they can easily be seen. A well-lit area increases the chances of someone noticing suspicious activity, which can deter potential thieves. Thieves prefer to operate in the shadows, so make it harder for them to target your vehicle. Avoid parking in isolated or poorly lit areas. The more visible your car is, the safer it will be. And finally, invest in security systems. Modern car security systems offer a range of features designed to protect your vehicle, from alarms that alert you to unauthorized access to immobilizers that prevent the car from being started without the correct key. These systems add multiple layers of protection. Alarms, immobilizers, and tracking devices are like kryptonite to car thieves. They not only make it more difficult to steal the car, but also increase the chances of recovery if the car is stolen. These security systems can deter thieves, or help recover your car faster if it's stolen. By taking these proactive steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of car theft and enjoy greater peace of mind. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in protecting your vehicle. Got questions? We've got answers. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on stolen car insurance FAQs. Your stolen car insurance FAQs. Whether you're dealing with a recent theft or just want to be prepared, we've got the answers you need. We know what you're thinking. What about... Insert your burning question here. Well, you're not alone. Many people have similar concerns when it comes to stolen car insurance. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our goal is to provide you with clear and concise information to help you navigate through this challenging situation. We've compiled a list of frequently asked questions to address all your stolen car insurance concerns. From coverage details to claim processes, we aim to cover it all. Cute, does my insurance cover a stolen rental car? This is a common question, especially for those who frequently rent cars. It depends on your policy and the rental agreement. Some policies include rental car coverage, while others do not. Always read the fine print. It's best to check with both your insurance company and the rental company to avoid any surprises. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions before you rent a car. Q. What if my car is recovered damaged? This is another important concern for many car owners. Your comprehensive coverage will usually cover the cost of repairs, minus your deductible. It's essential to know what your deductible is and how it affects your claim. Q. Can I get reimbursed for personal belongings stolen from my car? This is a frequent question, especially for those who keep valuable items in their vehicles. Usually not under comprehensive coverage. Most auto insurance policies do not cover personal items stolen from your car. You might need separate renters or homeowners insurance for that. These policies often cover personal belongings, even if they are stolen from your car. Always check with your insurance provider to understand your coverage options. Drive safe, drive insured, and share your stories. Well folks, that's a wrap on our stolen car insurance adventure. Remember, having the right insurance coverage can provide peace of mind in case the unthinkable happens. So stay informed, be proactive, and drive safe out there. And hey, while we're at it, why not share your own car theft stories or near misses in the comments below? We'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips you have for keeping those cars safe and sound.